Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 10th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Thank you for listening to this episode, and now comes a big soundbite from tech. Soundbites are private and for everyone to hear. Please start typing all the criteria and validate them as you provide me. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 10th of April, 2025, our system has ranked Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -3.66. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock currently resides in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are anticipated. The existing 3-month trend forecasts a potential decrease of approximately 50.48% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -61.18% to -43.99%. In a longer-term view, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of -24.77%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -83.82% and 79.94% over the coming year. This translates to a future price that could fall between $3.04 and $33.81. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price on Thursday, moving between $18.40 and $21.17. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price fell by 7.3% on the last day, Thursday, the 10th of April, 2025, from $20.27 to $18.79. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 15.05%, with a day low at $18.40 and a day high of $21.17. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 7.53% for this period. Interestingly, the trading volume fell alongside the stock, which is considered a positive sign as volume should ideally follow the stock's movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 3 million shares, and in total, 11 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $211,048,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $56.55, and the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 66.77% or $37.76 below the 52-week high, and 76.33% or $60.59 below the all-time high on March 26, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. In recent developments, shares of Trump Media and Technology Group, trading under the symbol DJT, have experienced significant volatility. Just yesterday, DJT stock surged by 8% following President Donald Trump's social media buy recommendation, which encouraged traders to take advantage of perceived buying opportunities during market dips. This call has generated substantial attention, as a CNBC analysis indicated considerable returns for those who acted on Trump's advice. Additionally, Trump Media is expanding its presence in North America, launching the Truth Social platform and Truth Plus streaming services in Canada and Mexico. This strategic move could enhance revenue streams, potentially stabilizing stock performance amid global tariff concerns that experts warn may complicate international operations for American businesses. Despite these positives, DJT has also faced downward pressure due to a recent filing indicating that insiders could sell over 142 million shares, including Trump's $2.3 billion stake. Such actions raise questions about long-term investor confidence, especially as the company's operations have been running at significant losses since its initial public offering. In the short term, the combination of positive market sentiment from Trump's recommendations and the expansion initiatives could bolster DJT stock. However, in the long term, the looming share sales and operational losses may continue to create headwinds, making the stock's future trajectory uncertain. Analysts have assigned the Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and so far, it has risen approximately 12.79%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence short-term developments. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock currently holds a buy signal based on the short-term moving average. At the same time, the long-term average shows a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in an overall sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $20.98. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $18.19. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, whereas a drop below the short-term average would add another sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative outlook. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger presents a buy signal from 34 days ago. The short-term moving average reflects a buy signal from 3 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 58 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 54 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 38 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $18.76. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may exhibit significant movement throughout the day, indicating a high level of volatility, with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.77 between its high and low, which represents a movement of 15.05%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 14.61%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $20.27. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, This could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $18.76. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of March, 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01/1000 per share. On the 12th of March, 2025, Eric Swider conducted another insider sale, this time of 10,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01/1000 per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan executed an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01/1000 per share. On the same day, Philip Juhan also sold 8,954 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01/1000 per share. Additionally, on the 10th of March, Philip Juhan sold 300 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.01/1000 per share. Analyzing the 55 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of approximately 21.842. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares during these last 55 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been set. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation holds several negative signals, and we believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate rating to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 11th of April, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open higher by 663/100ths and start trading at $19.45. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.